That wall's seen better days, whoever put that up. Hopefully it don't destroy the fence one day when it does come down, because it's coming, that's for sure. You know, when walls leaning like that, what's the best thing to do? Add another layer to the top of it and then add more weight to the top of that. Always a good idea.
Come on, you chuck. About sneezed there, I think. Oh, it's been a busy one today. Flipping heck, all and sundry's happening here. As you can see, it's a right flipping mess in this office. Look at this, everything piled everywhere, boxes, jobs. These are all automation stuff here. Flipping, oh, there's all sorts going on. Got all this. It's all out of Justin's cabin, which, as you know, we got rid of. That ended up getting smashed up.
Outside at property line. All happens now. It's not on us. Disaster.
But yeah, sun's shining. We're absolutely peeing it down this morning, but it's lovely now. Justin's gone pick a gate up for Carl to repair over in Keighley that we've got coming up. The lads around at Cavendish putting some big gates and a single there. I've just been catching up as usual behind the scenes, all admin, keeping them all running. But yeah, look at this work. Looks weird. Looks weird without there now, so we've always had that there. Just, I don't like it, no privacy. But what I did notice when I came in yesterday, when they pulled it out, they pulled this flipping main electric cable. What? That's not right good. Because as it happens, I'm going to have a day in yard this week. Because their cabin is actually going to go here. Hence why we moved it. But it's not quite level, although it's not actually that bad when I look at it. But I'm going to probably move that tub there. In fact, I think the lads might have moved that up. I'm going to move that tub and then have that cabin from there down to there. So it should just sit on that concrete there, nice. So it just wants a little bit digging out there. With a little digger out of there. So we're going to do that, and then we've got a trench to get across there and to get the electric feed into there, because at the minute his is fed off of that, which obviously we're going to disconnect that. And then we're going to have a main electric board there, hence why I'm not that bothered about this cable at the minute, because the main feed comes from next doors. I dug it years ago across here, and it comes in there. I mean, it was buried, but obviously not a lot, so we're just going to get it over to here. So I'll make sure that goes down a good foot or so there, and I'll put some hardcore over it. So I'm not too bothered, as it happens, that they did pull that, otherwise I'd have made them, the guys that did it, flipping bury it. Yeah, so then I'm probably going to move all this as well. So all the cabins will be together, theirs will go here. And then, let me start again, that'll go there, facing down. Obviously entrance into mine there. And then Matt's there that he keeps his bits, going to go over there. Then I'm probably going to put a toilet there, I think, or maybe in that corner, not too sure yet. I shall cross that bridge when we do it, see how much room we've got, and then we'll move all the posts over there then, so everything's out of the way, so it's all safe here. So anybody coming in to see us is just here, and it's all nice and safe, and it'll be a lot better anyway, so yes. That's me for now. I'm going to have to go because I've had no dinner. But I'm going to get our CAT scan. It's got to be recalibrated. So I've got to take that and box it up, and it's getting picked up tomorrow. So I shall catch you later.
Good morning, Monday morning in Sheffield, doing some 2 metre V mesh in green. Lads are just getting van sorted now. It's just going from this corner here, all the way down across this wall. And then in between them 2 trees, what you see on the end. And that job's a good one. Yeah, we'll get this in today and get out of here. Looks like it's going to about middle of these 2 trees, he said, so perfect. We'll get this done and out where that wall's seen better days, whoever put that up. Hopefully it don't destroy the fence one day when it does come down, because it's coming, that's for sure. You know, when walls leaning like that, what's the best thing to do? Add another layer to the top of it and then add more weight to the top of that. Always a good idea. Got Jamie's new follower, new worker, Cat, doing more work than him. Here we are, last haul. So this is for DB Fabrications, working over in Sheffield today. 2 metre high, V-mesh in green. Just covering this off. You see previous one of that wall. Hopefully we don't come back and that wall's destroyed our fence. Obviously I'm guessing they've done this for the protection of that wall, in case it falls on someone. Here we go, looking good. Right, just a quick video before I go. So lads are going to put this in today. We'll put posts there, wrap the panel around. This panel's going to get replaced, pushed out. We're going to have a single gate here, infill panel there of 2.4 high, and then the gate goes on the back of this wall. We're going to wrap panels around. Double gate's going to go in, wrap panels around, double gates. Get all that done today. Right, all fencing's out, gate's going to go here, double gate there, infill there, infill there. Lads have got it all out onto the van. Next step, putting them in.
I think we just had delivery on Stick Yard. Palisade just come. They're just unloading. Yep. So look, loaded it now. Oh, touch it's here. It's here, yeah. We just took posts off, wagons turning round, so you can get bales off and put them there. Yeah, busy. Right, just turned it off there. Look. Yeah. Yard, that's all. So yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute.
So just a quick video. Lads have already done this. This were from the other day, but I want here to get it, so I'll get it now. So they rebolted all this. We didn't initially put this up. We just swapped all the bent panels for the twin mesh. A bit more, you know, for things like bins bashing against it, your V-mesh is probably not your best option. So yeah, looking good. Lads have just been out about 5-10 minutes ago. They've just done all the razor wire on the new gates. Let's go have a quick look. So now we're just back at Cavendish, just gonna basically just doing them a favour, just putting some self tappers into some existing panels that they've got. Yeah. Looking very good. So here we are. Mark's digging half at yard up like usual. So yeah, we've just done our new power supply in, trenched it all now. We're going to concrete it this afternoon. As you can imagine, this used to be my office. Oh, memories I've had in that office. Well yeah, it's all gone now, disappeared. So really we're going to be moving yard. Container's going to be coming over here, blue container over there. We're extending yard out, so we have a lot more room to crack on. Lads have just gone for dinner, so we're just getting this done before they get back, and then get mixing. Mix away. Obviously we're not in tomorrow, so this Thursday's our Friday now. That's motto.
Oh, I went videoed all day. I had all intentions of videoing. He's just locking up now, just going. We've just been putting ducting in and stuff ready for new move at cabin and stuff like that. And we've just got it concreted quickly because lads have got to go finish a little job from yesterday they couldn't do because gates were on an automation timer, so they've got to put razor wire on top. It's only a little job, should only take them half an hour or so. Justin's just gone, knocked up, but he's still there. So yeah, that's it. Well, I'm going to call it because I'm not actually in tomorrow. I'm at Scooter Rally Weekend in Brid. We go to every year, so I'm looking forward to that. Just hope my gut's sold up after me op, but there you go. So yeah, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.